Boleh. Okey.
Dah.
Dah. Timing apa? Timing.
Aku dah tekan.
Hello. Okay, good evening everybody. Is everybody feeling well?
Yes.
Okay. It's a bit raining today. Unfortunately, I cannot come early, so I'm very sorry for the inconvenience. Okay.
Oh,
So
it's
it's
okay.
Okay, so
How about we introduce first
Our group man.
yeah, let us introduce our group. We are from group 32 for the legs after 5 subject. That's 2013, isn't it?
Yes.
And we are currently doing the video of reflection video for our first interview, our first legs interview from after 5. So recently we have done. Can someone?
I think we should introduce ourselves.
Yeah.
First,
Oh, okay.
first of all, my name is Arif Dirasih.
I am Muhammad Amri.
I'm Muhammad Adib.
I am Muhammad Safwan.
And me, Muhammad Luqman.
So our first interview, we did an interview with a fisherman at
Okay, Expo.
Bukit Expo. We gained a lot of knowledge about this fishing because none of us know anything about fishing.
Yes.
So I think it's a good experience that we interviewed him. So what do you think about the fishing?
For me, that we interview the Mr. Amir. He's a very professional, and from his hobby and the time spending after 5, it's a very benefit. Give a benefit to him because fishing is one of the hobby that help us to release tension.
True.
Also, and we also can get the fish, so we can cook, and maybe we can do ornamental fish and keep it as a pet.
That's an option.
How about you?
I agree with you because I think fishing can release our stress. Yeah, because we are student, we receive a lot of stress. We gain a lot of stress. We gain assignment, report. So sometimes we need time for ourselves. Yeah, then fishing is one of it because we can relax our mind. We can think about our future when fishing. Yeah, because we are alone and there is no one to disturb us, and we are with the environment, the natural environment. So it's a good thing. And about the money spent, I think for a beginner it is not expensive like what Mr. Amir did, right?
Yes.
Because there is always available at the shop the cheapest set for fishing, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, what about you, Umar?
And but the fishing is interesting for me, and that from the fishing that we can expose to the nature, and actually fishing is one of my hobby too.
We don't know. I'm sorry.
I have 3 set of
Fishing rod.
fishing rod.
Wow. That's
But
amazing.
different with the Mr. Ahmed. Mr. Ahmed is the casting and me fishing bottom.
What's the difference?
The Mr. Ahmed is fishing casting. They fishing with
On the surface.
on the surface with the what
Bait.
Oh, the Rapala.
the rapala is that. Like me use the
Natural.
natural like worm
Oh.
like that. And that's quite interesting.
For me, I think fishing is a dedicated hobby because we spend quite a hefty investment in the beginning, and in the end, if we truly want to become a professional fishery, I think we have to spend quite a lot of money.
Yes.
Thus, I think determination is one of the factors to decide if you want to do this kind of hobby. Furthermore, I think this hobby is actually suitable for people living in the city, because every day we keep listening to noises, we have to meet a lot of people, deal with a lot of people. Sometimes we need to have time for ourselves, and we need a quiet place while actually doing something, because if we don't do anything we will feel useless. But if we do something like fishing, it's actually a good way to get some alone time as well as do something beneficial for us. That's why I think it's a good hobby. What about you?
For me, I agree with your points that you said. All the good things about fishing, right?
Yeah.
But there also sometimes there are also disadvantages for the fishing activity. Because in my opinion, the initial cost, like you said just now, some people may find it a reasonably price, but some people may find it extremely expensive, because not everybody have access to all the equipment needed for the fishing. Maybe they don't have someone to push them, contacts, someone to raise their interest to follow the hobby with other people. You understand?
Yes, I understand.
And then that's one thing. And then another one is it's not that healthy. It's not that healthy to be not doing anything. If you understand, the fishing takes so much time of your day. For example, it can take from a whole evening, maybe from 12 up to late evening. It can take a lot of time, and sometimes you can do lots of other things to settle your daily work. Your daily work. Do you agree with my disadvantages that I said?
Yes, of course. Yeah. Some of the, of course lah. Some of things must have disadvantage. Not all everything is advantage thing.
Yes.
So disadvantage in ecosystem also have, because this fishing will create a havoc in the biodiversity of the aquatic animal,
Yeah, that's true.
because it will cause a extinction of a certain species. For example, snakehead fish.
Okay.
If in the area there's a population maybe 1,000, there's an estimate at 1,000. If every day people go there and fishing, what happened to the pyramid of the food chain?
Oh yeah, it's going to be disturbed.
Yes, if the predator in the community is absent, how can the circle continue?
Yeah, that's right.
We actually increase the number of predator and decrease the number of fish that you have
Yes.
mentioned.
Maybe the fish that the fisher fishing catch also predator, but sometimes in the nature, predator also must present, not absent. So without predator, how can the pyramid of the food chain will continue? And if the producer increase, example lah, if tilapia, the fish is increasing because due to absence of the predator, how can the balance of the nature will disturb?
Yeah, it's not going to be stable.
Yes.
I think your point of view is suitable for open areas of fishing, but for hobbies like Amir,
They don't
where
care.
he only fish in isolated areas
Yes.
with little to no fish, but I think it's still okay because not many people fish there and it doesn't actually disrupt the ecosystem.
And I think Mr. Amir fishing catch and release.
Ah,
That's
yes.
one of the good ethic
Yes,
that
that's true.
should be practiced by all fisher
Yes.
in this country.
We should. He has been doing it just for fun,
Yes.
not actually for the fish.
Yes.
Because I don't think he can cook with that fish.
Mm.
Here.
So how can we conclude? Maybe Mr. Lokman or Safwan can conclude what our discussion today.
I have addition for the Utopia Amri. And the fishing is take a long time for the fishing.
Yes.
And one more thing that we need for the fishing activity is we need more patience.
Oh,
That
yeah.
teach us. Yeah.
Yeah, that's right. That's right.
Teach us to patience. Not,
I understand.
Okay. As I heard what you all say about, I think fishing is a good activity to do after fight because because it give me it can release our stress, and spend our time before doing assignment and a lot of things. So I guess this is a good hobby, and we as a student we can actually try
Yes.
to fishing in UPM, especially in UKSP.
Okay.
As long as we follow the good.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's
That's
it
all for us.
We will see you in our next reflection video. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.